back, everyone. John Moody here with Johnny Learns Gardening, and today's video is going to be about my future plans. So these are the pots that I have at the side of the house, and my plans are to dump the dirt that's in here, not the blueberries, but the dirt that's in here. Still haven't decided what I wanted to do with the herbs. I don't know if I want to bring them inside to try to utilize them or to just go ahead and dump them. I don't want to dump the mint because I don't want them taking over, but to use the dirt in these pots for my raised garden bed. Let's go ahead and walk on over. Shot a video of us at my brother's place getting these leaves, and my plan is to utilize them as mulch, as well as add them to the compost, as well as start a leaf mold. So we'll see.
You hold this.
Nope, I will not hold that. There's that piece of wood in there that's not really breaking down fast enough. I might just use my axe to chop that up myself. Put some more cardboard down, pizza boxes and other cardboard scraps. All the leaves have fallen off this. My plan is to trim all of that down, utilize the wood for whatever I decide. Trim these down so that I could access my compost bins better. Yeah, so we will see. I have a couple other things planned. 10 things that I learned as a new gardener video. I did shoot some footage for it, but I didn't really like it, so I kind of want to do it all over again. What else? That's pretty much it. Just preparing my beds for winter. The fall has come. I ripped everything out. Not everything, but leaving some things in here so that the worms can take care of it and have the aeration and have the worms are in the ground and have the organic material on top. So I did a season finale of my weekly garden updates, and yeah, I'm no longer going to do that this season. So there's nothing really to update. Now it's just work, and preparing for next season. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Alright, everybody, trying something different with this voiceover thing. Just wanted to talk about the results of my hard work. I shot all this footage last week, so I got a couple of empty pots there that I had at the side of the house. I dumped those in the raised garden bed. Got a shot of Eleanor walking on over. I dumped a bag of leaves on top, and then I put some sticks on top so the leaves won't blow away. I think I put a little too much, but it's got some time to break down. Hopefully it won't cause too much of a problem. We'll see. Got some radish over there sticking out still. But yeah, I did the same thing over here. Cut down everything, took the trellis down, and put the leaves down. There's the start of my leaf mold. I just took that fencing and just made a hoop, dumped a bag in there. I also put a couple bags in the compost, so I didn't realize I'd be getting so many leaves, but it went a long way. And then I figured the bags will compost down. If not, I could always get rid of them. But that's all, folks. Take care. Till next time. Bye-bye.